Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of The Artificial Professor, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can change the region of Netflix. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. So let's say you're using Netflix and you're searching around inside the app for changing the region. And if you're doing that, you're completely wasting your time. So let me tell you how you can change the region of Netflix. First of all, you're going to be needing a VPN. So let's say you live inside some United States and some of the shows and programs are banned over there or are simply not available. You can simply install a VPN of the country where that particular drama, series or anything is available. So you can simply head over to the VPN and install a VPN. Let's say I have installed this particular one called Super VPN. Simply open it, and you might have some apps because it's the free version of the application. So you can see we are showing up with some ads. Simply skip them and enable your VPN. Simply click on connect, and once it is connected to that particular country where your season, program or series are available, you will be able to see that. You have to restart your Netflix, or maybe you have to reset it from settings. So if you want to do that, simply head over to settings and storage, and from there you can simply reset its app data. Then you're going to be launching the Netflix again, and you'll be able to see that we have now unlocked our all season series which were not available. So that's a pretty simple process on how to unblock or how to simply enable or change region on Netflix. I really hope you understood the concept and liked the video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.